It gets buried inside the leaf and starts growing by taking nutrients from ours or any other mammal's body in which they are present. Butterflies are of parasitic nature. It could even cause the death of the mammal in which they are present. Cats could get hit easily because in their nose especially because when they sniff on the filthy place, butterflies are also present on the areas where there is more dust, where there is waste. So when they sniff over there, they could get butterflies' eggs